Hi, what's up YouTube? Today I'm really excited to show you this really nice install. I just purchased a 3-inch bull bar for my 2012 Toyota Tundra. If you want to check out yours for the best price, check out the links down in the description below. You'll be able to find the best deals for your year, make, and model. So if you're looking for a Tacoma or F-150 or Dodge Ram, just click down in the description below on the link and then type in bull bar and search for your year, make, and model. The great thing about these bull bars is they come in a variety of finishes, so you can get it in matte black or even chrome, and you can even accessorize it with lights. Alright, I already showed you where to find the best deals on these bull bars. Now it's time to show you how to install this thing. It's really easy. It took me about 30 minutes. Most of the time took to unpackage everything, but here are all the bolts and mounting hardware that it came with, and here are some of the tools that I use to make this job a lot easier. So the first step and one of the most difficult obstacles for me was to get these bolts off of these towing hooks. So the impact drill really does a great job of taking this thing off because it's kind of seized up and has rust and everything. So just take these bolts off. Next you're going to install the mounting plates and then put the towing hooks back over it and then screw the original bolts back in. In my opinion, in this whole installation, it's best to leave the bolts kind of snug or kind of loose, but don't fully tighten it down so you have some room for adjustment. Alright, so after you have the mounting plates kind of nicely snug, you can go ahead and put your bolts now. You're gonna have a bolt washer, bolt goes all the way through, and this side has a washer, then the nut. And I always do the back part first, so you can kind of leverage this thing up, so you don't need two people to help you out, and then you can lift it up however you'd like and position it. Alright, once you have the second bolt in there, then it just kind of stays in place and you have a lot of room for play. You can adjust it backwards and forwards, up and down. As you can see, it'll look like this if you don't tighten everything down. So I'm gonna put mine right about there and I'll show you what that looks like. So I tightened everything down but the left side. So whenever you're tightening everything down, you want to make sure that you pay attention to the gap across where the bumper is at, because you could accidentally, as you can see here, you can make it too close or too far out. So I'm gonna have to bring mine out forward like this so that it'll be even. All right, so I'm all done. Everything took about roughly 30 minutes from start to finish. As you can see, it's really easy to do. Just make sure you pay attention to where the mount goes, because if you're not careful, you can actually put this the opposite way around and then it'll be too far away from the mounting bracket. So as you can see here, mine comes out and then down and then it mounts on the outside. It'd be too tight if I mounted this part onto the inside part there. And all I had to do was use an impact drill. I could have did it by hand, but it'd be more work. But these are all the tools you'll need. Here's a quick glance at what it looks like between the bull bar and the actual bumper. Now it's a really good idea, like I said, to make sure each side is even, so when you're tightening it down, one side is not shoved up in the corner. Here's what it looks like from the side, underneath, and on the inside part is the towing hook. Same thing with that side. And this is the under part of the skid plate. And then it has this 3-inch bar, or what they call a bull bar. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely give this video a big thumbs up. By far, one of my favorite upgrades has been this bull bar and a key fob upgrade that I did for this truck. If you want to check out that video, check out links down in the description below. But if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you for watching.